Have you ever wondered how different our world would be if animals could talk? Imagine the tales they'd tell, the secrets of the wild they'd share. Our planet is brimming with intriguing creatures, each with their own unique abilities and fascinating facts. In this journey, we'll delve into the animal kingdom, uncovering truths that will leave you astounded. We'll explore the lightning-fast world of the cheetah, a creature that can outrun even the fastest sports car. We'll marvel at the might of the humble ant, an insect that can lift many times its own body weight. And we'll delve into the rich memories of elephants, animals known to grieve, remember, and celebrate. These are but a few examples of the extraordinary capabilities found in our animal kingdom, a realm where surprises lurk in every corner. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed. Stick around to uncover these mysteries of the animal kingdom. Imagine a car speeding down the highway. Now imagine an animal that can run just as fast. Welcome to the world of the cheetah, the undisputed champion of speed in the animal kingdom. This remarkable creature holds the title of the fastest land animal, capable of reaching breathtaking speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. The cheetah's incredible speed doesn't just happen by chance. It's the result of a unique combination of body structures and physiological adaptations. To start with, the cheetah's slender, lightweight frame and long legs are built for speed, providing the necessary agility and acceleration. The cheetah's large nasal passages allow for increased oxygen intake during high-speed chases, fueling the muscles for those intense bursts of speed. Cheetahs also possess a unique, flexible spine which works in harmony with their large adrenal glands to pump adrenaline, boosting their incredible acceleration. Let's put this into perspective. The world's fastest human, Usain Bolt, clocks in at a maximum speed of 27 miles per hour. That's less than half the top speed of a cheetah. Even the fastest breed of dog, the greyhound, can't compete, reaching a top speed of just 45 miles per hour. When it comes to vehicles, a cheetah can give some a run for their money. Picture this: a cheetah could easily keep up with a moving car on a city street, and in a short sprint could even outrun many high-performance sports cars. But it's not just about the sprint. The cheetah is also a master of maneuverability. Unlike a speeding car, which needs ample time and space to change direction, a cheetah can twist and turn in the blink of an eye, thanks to its semi-retractable claws and excellent balance. So the next time you're marveling at a fast car or watching an athlete sprint, remember the cheetah. This incredible creature not only matches the speed of our fastest inventions, but surpasses them in agility and acceleration. So next time you're in a hurry, remember the cheetah. What if I told you one of the strongest creatures on Earth is also one of the smallest? Yes, we are talking about the mighty ant. These tiny creatures, often overlooked and trodden upon, possess a strength that is simply astonishing. You see, an ant can carry up to 50 times its own body weight. Imagine that. That's akin to an average human hoisting 2 fully loaded pickup trucks over their head. A feat that sounds far-fetched, right? But for an ant, it's just another day at the office, or should we say another day at the anthill. So how do these minuscule marvels manage such Herculean feats? It all comes down to their anatomy. Ants, like all insects, have an exoskeleton, a hard, protective outer layer that provides both structure and strength. This exoskeleton is lighter than the internal skeletons of larger creatures, allowing ants to hoist objects many times their own weight without being crushed. But the true secret to an ant's strength lies in its muscular structure. Ants have a higher muscle-to-body size ratio than larger animals. In simpler terms, they have more muscle packed into a tiny frame, which gives them their incredible lifting capabilities. Now, let's talk about their jaws. Ants have incredibly strong mandibles, which they use not just for biting, but for carrying objects too. These jaws can exert pressure up to 5,000 times the ant's weight, making them one of the strongest tools in the animal kingdom. It's akin to a human using their mouth to lift a fully furnished house. So, the next time you spot an ant scurrying across your path, carrying a morsel of food that's many times its size, take a moment to appreciate this tiny titan, for it's not just their size, but their strength and resilience that make ants some of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. Strength, as it turns out, comes in tiny packages too. Ever heard the phrase, "an elephant never forgets"? Well, there's more truth to that than you might think. Let's dive into the world of the elephant, a majestic creature with an astounding memory. Elephants have a remarkable ability to recall events, places, and even other elephants they've interacted with years after the encounter. This is not just a random occurrence, but a crucial part of their survival and social structure. Imagine for a moment an elephant strolling through the vast African savanna. It remembers watering holes from years past, even during the driest periods when other water sources have evaporated. This memory recall is a lifesaver, literally, for the elephant and its herd, as they navigate through the harsh landscapes in search of sustenance. But it's not just about survival. Elephants' memory plays a pivotal role in their complex social networks as well. Elephants can recognize and remember their kin and companions, even after long periods of separation. Their reunions are quite touching, marked by trumpeting and intertwining of trunks, a testament to their strong bonds and, yes, their impressive memory. Research studies have shown that elephants can remember and react to the call of a companion who passed away years ago. This emotional response indicates that their memory is not just functional, but also deeply emotional. They are capable of mourning their lost ones, a trait that is incredibly rare in the animal kingdom. Elephants also use their memory to learn and pass on vital information to younger generations. They teach their young ones about potential dangers, food sources, migration routes, and more. All this knowledge, passed down through generations, is a product of their extraordinary memory. So next time when you hear the phrase, "an elephant never forgets," remember it's not just an idiom, but a real testament to the incredible cognitive abilities of these gentle giants. They use their memory not just for survival, but also to build relationships, mourn their lost ones, and educate their young. So if you ever have an elephant for a friend, they'll never forget you. What if you could live for over a century? There's an animal that does just that. Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable longevity of the tortoise. This shelled creature carrying its home on its back is known for its slow pace. But did you know that the tortoise is also one of the longest living creatures on our planet? Some tortoise species can live for over 150 years, outliving generations of humans. Now, you might be wondering, what's the secret behind their extraordinary lifespan? Well, it comes down to a combination of factors. The most significant of these is their slow metabolism. Unlike many animals, tortoises don't burn through their energy resources quickly. Instead, they conserve energy, moving at a slow and steady pace, which helps them live longer. Their diet also plays a key role in their longevity. Tortoises are primarily herbivores. They feed on a variety of plants, fruits, and vegetables, which provide them with the necessary nutrients to maintain a healthy, long life. Their dietary choices help them avoid many of the health issues associated with diets high in fats and sugars, which plague other creatures, including humans. Another contributing factor to their long lifespan is their natural armor, their shell. This hard outer covering protects them from predators and environmental hazards, increasing their chances of survival. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of their longevity is their ability to endure harsh conditions. Tortoises are known to survive in a variety of habitats, from arid deserts to lush forests. They can endure extreme temperatures and scarcity of food and water, going into a state of dormancy when resources are sparse. Tortoises truly embody the saying, "slow and steady wins the race." They remind us that life isn't always about speed. Sometimes it's about endurance, patience, and the ability to adapt and survive in the face of adversity. In the grand scheme of life, they show us that taking the time to conserve our resources and protect ourselves can lead to a long and healthy life. So in the race of life, maybe slow and steady does win. Imagine if you could change your appearance to blend in with your surroundings. Sounds like a superpower, right? But for the chameleon, it's just another day. Now let's delve into the incredible world of one of nature's most intriguing artists, the chameleon. This small but mighty creature holds an amazing ability that leaves even the most seasoned wildlife enthusiasts in awe. The chameleon can change its skin color not just for camouflage, but also for communication and temperature control. When we think of camouflage, the chameleon is often the first creature that springs to mind. But did you know that it's not just about blending in? Contrary to popular belief, chameleons don't change their color to match their environment. They do it to reflect their moods, intentions, and even health conditions. When a chameleon feels threatened, it may darken its color to appear less appealing to predators. On the other hand, a chameleon might brighten its colors when it's feeling territorial or trying to attract a mate. Isn't that fascinating? Now let's talk about temperature control. Chameleons are ectothermic, which means they can't generate their own body heat, so they use their skin to regulate their temperature. When a chameleon is cold, it will darken its skin to absorb more heat from the sun. Conversely, when it's hot, the chameleon will lighten its skin to reflect the sun's rays and cool down. This incredible ability to change color is made possible by specialized cells called chromatophores that lie in layers under the chameleon's skin. These cells contain pigments, and when a chameleon's mood or temperature changes, its nervous system tells these cells to expand or contract, which changes the color of the chameleon's skin. So the chameleon doesn't just use its color-changing ability to blend in. It's a sophisticated tool for survival, communication, and maintaining its well-being. So the chameleon truly is a master of disguise. From the speed of a cheetah to the memory of an elephant, the animal kingdom is full of wonders. It's indeed a marvel to reflect upon the extraordinary diversity of life on our planet. Each creature, no matter how small or large, has a unique set of abilities that allow it to thrive in its environment. Let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible speed of the cheetah, the fastest land animal. This feline's agility and velocity are not merely for show, but vital tools for survival, enabling it to chase down prey in the blink of an eye. Then we have the mighty ant, a tiny insect displaying Herculean strength. Despite its diminutive size, the ant can carry objects many times its own weight. This remarkable strength helps it to gather food and build complex colonies, ensuring the survival of the entire colony. Equally impressive is the memory of an elephant. Known for their intelligence and emotional depth, these magnificent creatures can remember faces, locations, and events for many years. This exceptional memory aids them in finding food and water sources, as well as recognizing friends and foes. The long-lived tortoise is another creature of wonder. With lifespans extending over a century, these reptiles are a testament to endurance and resilience. Their longevity is a result of their slow metabolism and hardy shell that protect them from predators and harsh environmental conditions. And let's not forget the chameleon, the master of camouflage. The chameleon's ability to change its skin color to blend into its surroundings is not just an amusing trick, but a critical survival mechanism that allows it to hide from predators and sneak up on prey. So in the grand tapestry of life, each animal with its unique abilities and characteristics plays a significant role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. So the next time you gaze at the animal kingdom, remember there's more than meets the eye.